Hi everybody, this is the part 4 of series of 5 tutorials on how to install WordPress on web server. In this video, how to add posts, pages and media content to WordPress website has been shown. First of all, please note there is one category named as uncategorized which can't be deleted cause system required one category should always be there. So we have to rename it as per our requirement. We have renamed it as general. Here slug is important as this is used in permalinks to name your content. It should be lower letter, words should be separated by hyphens. This is always good idea to have description of category as some browsers support it. Adding post is as easy as writing to MS Word file, just giving the title and providing text content. Adding page to WordPress is almost same as adding post, just difference is posts are categorized according to categories defined and pages are added as menu items. There is always good idea. Get your content ready offline so that content can be updated to website with just copy paste tasks. So we are adding our first page named About Us from the content already got ready by just copying and pasting in the text provided. You can see various options, the box required for formatting of text such as bold, italic, underline, alignment, etc. This is very basic content adding in page. Let us see where it has been appeared in WordPress site. Oh, we can't see that page. Yeah, got it. We have not added any menu to our site. So let us create a menu and name whatever you like. There are many options in menu creation, such as its location, such as top bar, header, footer. I will prefer in header as well as in footer. There is also option to automatically add pages to menu. Now let us add new page to confirm whether it is added automatically and also learn how to add media to our page or posts. I usually prefer force justification as my choice of text formatting for good look to the text, especially for paragraph texts. I'm just making fun part as making some text bold, etc. Let us see how media items are added to WordPress. To insert media, just click Add button. I have selected all the images I want to add in page, but will be inserted one by one wherever required you should make sure that size of images should be optimized, that is small enough without compromising quality, so that your valuable resources such as hosting space and bandwidth are not overconsumed. This is always good practice to name your images as per content. This helps in search engine optimization. After adding images, now we are going to show how to add links to your page. For that, just type the link text as normal text. After selecting text, press Insert Link button above text box. After inserting links, don't forget to click Publish button. Although you can click Publish at any time, after publishing, the text of this button becomes updated, which indicates page is published and can be updated. You can see page is now automatically added to the menu with all images and links and text you added, and links are working fine. It is always good practice to get your content ready offline. This is the end of part 4 of series of 5 videos to set up WordPress. In final part 5, we will add some plugins and play with widgets as final video for the scope of this tutorial series. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for future notifications of uploads from our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day.